Guys, nandito ako, nagpapakain ako sa ducks. Ayan, lalaking ducks yan, guys. See? My husband looks like a model. Ayan yung pagong, guys. Ayan, oh, kumakain sila. Meron pa dun sa malayo. Ayan yung ano. Meron pa dun. Oh, babe, the big is already coming then. See that? There. Hey, come here. Ayan guys. Ayan sila oh. Ayan na, may isa na ditong malaki. Ayan oh. Meron pa doon. Ayan. Ayan, malaki itong isa oh. Ayan guys oh. What?
There's tons of bread right there if you keep adding more to it. Let them eat that.
Yeah, come here. Where is a big one? The small ears then. Oh, don't bite. Don't bite. Maybe the other is already sleeping. Because it's time for sleep. Ducks, you want this one, ducks? Dito sila. Ang laki. This. It's no more? Where? You are late. Already. Come here, ducks. Oh, the mommy? Okay, come here. Your husband already a full tummy. So you're the baby. You are late, come. Oh, this is a big. We are done, guys. We are done. Ayan. No. You cannot go there. Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, turtles. The squirrel is there. You see that? Ayan, guys. Thank you for watching my video. See you later. Bye-bye. Uwi na kami ni Javi.